Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the second day of April 2014. And I don't know if anybody's ever watched that show called Prospectors. It's where they're in Colorado digging up this Amazonite and the Smoky Quartz and all that. But if you check this out, see, they say the name is taken from the Amazon River, from which certain green stones were formerly obtained, but it is doubtful whether the green feldspar occurs in the Amazon area. Okay, so why do they call it Amazonite? Okay, so this just has to do with what I'm doing here, I think. Okay, so the Amazon, basically, right? The Amazon River. All this is the Amazon, considered the Amazon jungle, the Amazon right here. Okay, now take a look at this. Fade this out. This is that pattern I showed the other day in a video. Well, I actually didn't show this one in the video. This is the one that I uploaded and shared on Google Plus. Didn't make it to the video. It's actually the title page, or the video thumbnail or whatever. But I got this aligned over United States, North America. Pretty, you can see it's pretty well aligned with the original Google Earth here. And I was working with. See, I've been seeing a lot of these circular patterns, large circular patterns up here in North America the last few days. And like I showed the Imbrium up here, and this one too. I showed this one too, or close to this one. Same pattern, but just a little, a couple hours difference. And I brought up this South America to check it out with this, right? And I thought, this circle would go right in the circle, and all that stuff. But what I noticed was this line here, this curve. Just check it out. See that pattern, weather pattern, how it follows that curve, and it kind of curves up, and then you see this part where it kind of comes back in an angle. See that? So right here, you see it kind of come to this point, like right there. Okay. Well, then you see this up here, and then you got the Amazon running right through Colorado, where they're finding the Amazonite. Now, I'm sure this is related. Absolutely sure. This is related. Why? How am I sure? Because you see this big gash right here in South America. Have you ever seen my videos where I showed that weather pattern that used to cut? You can still see it. We'll see it here pretty soon. It'll show itself again. You'll see the straight line that comes right down through here in North America. In the radar, you'll see it. And I said it was from the Red Sea, because it matched the Red Sea perfectly. It looked just like this right here. The pattern looked just like this, to the point and everything. Well, that's the same thing right there. That's it right there. It's in the same exact location as I see, right where I seen it. I could bring it up right now. Actually, I might even do that. But I think this goes together just like this. I think it was the same impact, or it was either that or, see, I think everything was created here. It had to be created here in a massive eruption here, or here, somewhere over here. Created in one impact at a time or something, one layer at a time. I don't know, but this, you can see something is up here with this. This is definitely, you see the curves right here. You see it come down and around, and then back to that point. Exactly the same thing. I'm just trying to figure out why I'm not seeing this, but you do see this once in a while on Google Earth, right in here. You'll see it right in here, right where it is up there. See that? It's right here, and you'll see it in the same. You'll see it right here in the spot every once in a while in the weather. You'll see something here, showing it in the clouds or something. But anyways, yeah, the Amazonite being in Colorado and the Amazon River. See, people know about this stuff. They just don't share this with us. I mean, it's too much to explain, I guess, or something. It's too hard to explain. But that's definitely the pattern I've seen. I'm going to show it. I'm going to bring it up right now, just to show you here, since I know it's really easy to get to here. I think, yeah. Is that it? I don't think that's it. I'll try it anyways. I don't know if that's it or not. Yeah, that's it. Let's just see how this goes here. some are like that. I mean, you see what I'm shooting for here. See that round area there. I still say the Red Sea was together with it at one time or another. Now let's just see how far I'm off with where Florida falls now. It's going to be pretty close to where that is. Watch. Let's see. I got to fade out this. Well, here it is right here, Florida, right there. So it needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's just make it to size and see how it fits. We'll just get it right on the money here. And bring it down to about right there somewhere. Might be a little wide. Somewhere right in there. See that? Okay, good enough. Okay, good enough. Now bring up South America again. Okay, it's a little bit off there, but that doesn't mean anything. It's still right there, still in the same place. It still follows that line. And that's, I mean, this is where I've seen this weather pattern, so it has to be the same thing, because you can see the rest of it. Follow all those patterns right there. At least I can. Following the shape of that thing. And then this kickback, this little point right here, you used to see it really good on Google Earth. Right here, you used to see it really good before they changed this pattern, but there is a little point right here. It comes to a point, and the land feature itself is like a point, and it's you can see it pretty good here, I guess. That's doing the same thing in the exact same spot. This curves up, so does this area here, and then you see this same curve here. See the outside curve where it goes like this. Same thing right there. This is all up in there. You see that fall right into that area right here where it's all purple. Pointing something out. Anyways, I got another picture to bring up actually of another weather pattern above this. Maybe I didn't do it right here. Let me do it. Okay, so I must do it over here in the ocean. So, anyways, I do have another pattern to show on that. But I'm sure that is the same thing. Absolutely sure. You can see the coastlines even match pretty much. And Mexico's pretty much very similar. You have this curve in Mexico that comes like this. You got Schrodinger, or you got this print in this area that curves like this in the same location. And then you could put the only thing is Schrodinger. I wish that other picture was up here. Let me see. I think I got it right here. I just got to move it. That's the same one. Hold on. Right here. There it is. I'm just going to move this. Right there. If we can. Yeah, it's going to be kind of difficult, but we'll try it. Just turn this other one off. Hey, see this line right here? See that line? Right here, this line? Okay, and I see this area matching too, up with the weather pattern. See that? And then you see something coming this way, and that fits right in there. Right to the mouth of the Amazon. That peak right there, I think that fits right in there. Well, we got the Great Lakes would be like right here somewhere. Oh, it would be, yeah, right here. definitely see it follow that line right there. But it just goes right in place. You see, I'm still on the pretty much on the in the general location of this area here, where I got Florida somewhat in the right area. The East Coast is close. Well, not really, not too close. And then you could also do this, Mare Oriental. Oh boy, I can see it already. Watch this. It's gonna take me a minute to find. Way, way up here. Right here. Okay, you see this shape? This bird looks like a bird shape, kind of. Okay. See this shape right here where it comes to this point right here? It's the same shape, pretty much. Almost got it right on there. I think I'm giving you too much information. It's starting to confuse you now. Maybe. I want to bring up that South American picture now with this picture up. There we go. Oh, jeez. And then right off the east coast of South America is this spot here that you can see on Google Earth a little bit better. This spot here. Like this, it would be like the center. It looks like a Mare Oriental almost. Pretty close. I can see that what makes that gash. Looks like something right there, maybe. Definitely see this corner right here. Watch. And the coast. Look at that coastline. That stuff just falls into place like that. It's pretty interesting when it happens that way. I mean, like I've had this set. You can see how long ago I put this up. It's way up my list. This is way up there. And I've probably moved it down a couple times already. But then you see this curve right here. Look. See the curve right there? And there's Mare Oriental with the same curve in the same place right there. This is a really good alignment, this one right here. If I turn the borders on, you can see, I mean, not the weather, but the borders. See how it goes right through here? I mean, it just fits perfect right through here, and it comes up, and you see in North America there is that area right. Oh shit! I gotta go all the way up there to fade it in and out. Okay, how far? You see, there's this line here. See this? It changes right here. See that? Watch, and it just follows that same curve. Yes, indeed. And there's a big crater right here, somewhere right off this area. You can see something right in here somewhere. There's like a crater, a round area or something. I've seen it before. But anyways, it all comes together. I mean, I didn't even bring that. I just did that South America thing just now. You've seen how that fit all on its own. And then look at that. Look at that. Look at the borders. Just go right around. Great Lakes, right up there, right where the Amazon ended, or whatever started, ended. I guess ended. So let's see what that looks like up there. Great Lakes or not? Oh, I gotta fade it out again. Anyway, it's long enough. You see what I'm saying? There's a lot of different ways this puzzle can go together, and it's pretty interesting. And it's hard to figure. It's almost impossible to get it all figured out. But I'm gonna do it someday. All right, everybody, have a good day.